Welcome back to my vlog. My name is Thomas, or Tom as I prefer. Today we're going to be unboxing a small snack box from Snack Nation. So I think it's one of the smaller boxes I get. If you like this video, remember to hit the subscribe and don't forget to ring the little bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. Alright, here we go. Let's see. That's what it looks like. What do we got here? Got edamame sea salt, dry roasted edamame, that is. You love fruit. Acai, I don't know how you pronounce it. Pomegranate, goji, and mango. They feel like a little gummy type thingy. We got Minute Mug Cake Mix, molten chocolate chip. We got Ocean's Halo Wasabi Seaweed Snack. We got a tahini bar. It's absolutely gluten free. We got that. Farmhouse Culture Kraut Crisps. Zesty Garden Veggie is the flavor. Interesting. And my favorite chips of brand chip of all time. And my favorite flavor, sea salt and vinegar. Fortunately, it feels like they might be a little crushed, but hey, that's what you get. Okay, now it's time to try one. I'm gonna roll this here 8-sided die, even though there's only 7, to figure out what I want to try. If it lands on 8, I'm gonna try 2. I'll show you what snack is what number. So that's going to be 1. That's don't help him. That's going to be 2. That's 3. That's 4. 5. 6. No, I know what those taste like. So love them, but eh. And that's 7. And like I said, if I roll 8, I'm gonna roll twice. Hope I don't roll 8 more than once. And I roll it, and that's what it landed on. You can see 8. So there's first number 1. Or let me see, 1. And 4. So going to be edamame and the kraut chips. Odds I'll try the edamame first. Evens I'll try the kraut chips. Odds it is. As you can see, it's 1. Want to be fair. So here we go. That's what they look like. Not bad. Now, kind of crunches like a harder peanut, but good. I don't really taste the sea salt on them, but they're so good. And to get a drink to wash out well. There's chip. Man, pretty good, not bad. And as well as this, I guess it's made with sauerkraut. That's why it's called kraut chips, obviously. But all in all, not too bad. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for my next video. Should be up soon. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave comments, and that includes anything like what you want to see next, or any thoughts that you have towards my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.